All right, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 1. All right, so we have this equation, xy equals 4, and we want to find the dy over dt when x equals 6 and dx over dt is equal to 15. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative with respect to t. All right, take the derivative of the equation. All right. All right, since there are two things multiplied together, we're going to have to use the product rule. All right, take the derivative of the first guy, so you have a dx over dt times the second guy, which is y, plus first guy is x, derivative of the set times the derivative of the second, so dy over dt is equal to, and derivative of 4 is 0. Right? Then what we want to do is we just plug in everything that we know. You can see that here x is equal to 6. So this is equal to 6. Right, dx over dt is 15. Right, so this is 15. Right, then we need to know y, but in this case we can simply plug x equals 6 into this equation, right? So you can see that this is going to be 6y is equal to 4. Then we can simply divide through by 6. So y is equal to 4 over 6, which is equal to 2 over 3. Right? So we can plug in here 2 over 3. Right, then we have, so this is going to be equal to, right, so I'm going to just write it out. So 15 times 2/3 and plus 6 times dy over dt. Right, then we can cancel 3 and 15 cancel out, so we got 5. Right, then we have, so that, this is equal to 0, right? Then this is going to be equal to, right, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 6 dy over dt is equal to 0. Then I'm going to move 10 over to the other side by subtracting 10. So we have a 6 dy over dt is equal to negative 10. All right, then we can just divide through by 6 to get dy over dt is equal to negative 10 over 6. All right, we can cancel those out. So multiple of 2, so divide by 2, 5, divide by 2, 3. So we know that this is equal to negative 5/3. Right? So let's type it in. All right, we got the negative 5/3. Right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got part A correctly. All right, let's do part B. All right, so the equation is the same, so the derivatives is the same. So all you have to do is plug in different numbers, right? So let's see. We don't know dx over dt, so this is what we want to find. And y, we need to find y, but x is equal to 1, so you can plug it into the equation. So let's see, y is going to be equal to 4. So because if you plug in 1 times y is equal to 4, which means that y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And plus, x is 1. Times dy over dt is negative 5. So we put negative 5 there, and that's equal to 0. All right? Then we can, let's see, you have a negative 5 here, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So you have a 4 times dx over dt is equal to positive 5. And then all you have to do is just divide through by 4. So dx over dt is equal to 5 over 4. Right? So let's type it in. Right? So you have 5 over 4. Right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got part B correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.